In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel your Clickfunnels subscription. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly where to click, what to look for, and how to make sure your subscription is fully canceled so you don't get billed again. Let's start inside your Clickfunnels 2.0 account. Once you're logged in and looking at your main dashboard, move your eyes down to the bottom left corner of the screen. You'll see a small gear icon, which represents your settings. Go ahead and click on that gear icon. This will open up the main settings area for your account. From the menu that appears, look for the option labeled Billing. This is where Clickfunnels keeps all of your payment information, invoices, and active plans. Click on Billing to open the Billing Center. It may take a second to load, so just wait for the page to fully appear. Inside the Billing Center, you'll see several tabs or sections. Find the one called Subscriptions. This tab is dedicated to any plans or packages you're currently paying for. Click on the Subscriptions tab to open it. On this page, you should see your active subscription listed. Next to your subscription, there will be a three-dot icon, usually on the right-hand side of the row. This icon is often used for more options or actions related to that specific item. Click on the three dots, and from the small menu that appears, choose View Subscription. This will take you to a detailed view of that particular plan. Once you're viewing your subscription details, look for a drop-down labeled Actions. This is where Clickfunnels keeps all the main controls for managing your plan. Click on the Actions drop-down and then select Manage Subscription. After you click Manage Subscription, you'll be taken to a page or pop-up that shows your current plan, billing cycle, and related options. Here, look carefully for the option that says Cancel Subscription under your plan details. When you're ready, click Cancel Subscription. At this point, Clickfunnels may ask you to confirm your choice and possibly share a reason for canceling. Follow any on-screen prompts until you see a clear confirmation that your subscription has been canceled. It's a good idea to take a quick screenshot or note the date just for your records, and that's it. You've successfully canceled your Clickfunnels subscription using the Billing Center.